It's feeding time of our other litter. Today is October 26th, and we have 4 pups and the kids of this lady, and she also feeds 3 of her grand kids, and total is 7 pups here. Are 7 pups here. Yeah, and yeah, 2. It's really easy to recognize which pups are your kids and which pups are your grandkids. That's Mishka's kids are more white, and this one exactly like mom.
But it's a boy.
And it's a boy.
Yeah,
and the other 3 are mostly white, and your grandkids are more darkish, and that's white and dark brindle male, and white and dark brindle female, and 1 short hair male is her grandkid to her grandson. And this one, this male, actually fully white, very rare. Doesn't have any other color than white. Just his nose is coming soon to be black. And Mishka is very nice milk producer. Or sorry for my English producer.